So you get an electric car, the first thing you want to know is how to charge it, because actually driving an electric car is not really any different. It's still a car, still moves around. The biggest difference is going to be charging. So if you have the Nissan Leaf, like right here, you hit this little button, charging port opens. You have a level 4 charging port and a level 2 charging port. We're at the charging station in downtown Portland, which is the fast charger, so we'll use the level 4. Come over to your charging point over here and pull this out. There'll be a red dot on the actual charging handle to show that it's engaged. Every car has some kind of indication too. The Leafs, there is actually, if you're in the driver's seat, there'll be a battery filling up icon. If you are in the i3, there's actually one around the charging handle on the side of the car. So it's different depending on what car you get.